Ka office jong ka block mission coordinator SSA Siman Omling Block Resource Center Ribhoi District mentakasngi kelasam Khusnam shaki khat santli ki Skul Kibalaya Shimbynta Haka Tobacco Free Educational Institution TOFEI Haka ba lapenlong yaki jaka pule kabalat na ki jingdi duma bat bam duma bat ki Skul ki balala ban perking yaki jingdi mar duma ki bakta yaka kot ka khia nalor kata ha ketika program la ai ka Khusnam shaka MBC Umling Block halor ka jingla jongka bande bha bat bandon haka kerdan ka bahajrong tam haka jela haka bayade ba ka jingno senyang ka bakrepang jongka shaka program TOFEI kumpan syukdo ka tofe lane ka Tobacco Free Educational Institute ka de ka jing thmu jongka sarkar pedeng ban penlong ki jaka ai jing hikai ki balat na ka jing di duma bat ka de ka jaka ai jing hikai ka ba khang ban pendon kam bat de ya baro ki mar duma kenthop ki sikrat bat ki we ki mar duma hapo ka jaka jongka ka thong galong ban ya dai ki Samla puli na ki jingma ki bala ban mi na ka jing di duma ha ketika program lawan ban ya don lang do MLA kanong po uba Mirabon CM Kumukong San, Kakong Ruby Zdas, Joint Director DSEO Ribhoi District, Kakong KB Jerwa, DSEO Ribhoi, Lambat Kiwe.
You always found in my Instagram or Facebook page, I always say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and say yes to good health. This is the mantra that I always carry on with myself and always spread awareness to others also that we should follow this. We should take a pledge by saying no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and we should say yes to good health. We have seen through different data that is there with the state government, the cause of death of many we have seen in hospital. That is as per the data within the health department who has been admitted in hospital and who passed away.
Of health to join hands together to tackle tobacco use and tobacco consumption. And for this, we have come across we have rolled out PRIFI program, and because of the school participation, Ribhoi District has also got an award last year. We have achieved 95% of activities at the school in Ribhoi District. It's all the hard work of the school, so I really congratulate the school and all the staff of education who really helped the school and also the education department in implementing and making Ribhoi District as an example district to other districts also, because we are the one
from Umling Block. Thank you so much for being a role model.
Moonlight LP School Khuborjylla, OC Secondary School staff. Thank you, ma'am. Charity Educators. Thank you, sir.